locked in a cosmic dense 8,000 light-years away from Earth. A planet similar in size to Saturn has been spotted orbiting around not one but two stars. This strange star system has two red dwarfs spinning in close proximity to each other while a planet pirouettes around them both once every 7 years. Its existence of the unusual trio, which has the catch name Hubble 2007b LG 349, was confirmed using the Hubble Space Telescope. It has been likened to Luke Skywalker's fictitious home planet of Tatooine in Star Wars, which has two suns. Astronomers were able to use a technique known as gravitational macrolensing to identify the planet orbiting at around 300 million miles from the two red dwarfs. For anyone looking up from the surface of the planet, the sky would be illuminated by two balls of fire glowing like a pair of car headlights. As the stars are so close together, just 14 times the distance of the Moon from the Earth, previous attempts to examine the system had been unsuccessful. Scientists have been unable to distinguish whether it was a single star surrounded by two planets or a planet orbiting two stars. Gravitational macrolensing occurs when the gravity of a star in the foreground bends and amplifies the light of a background star when they momentarily align. It works a little like passing a giant magnifying glass over the area in the sky. With the sharpness of the images captured by Hubble, researchers were able to unpick what was going on at the system, which lies towards the center of the Milky Way. Dr. David Bennett, who led the research at the NASA Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, said, "We were helped in the analysis by the almost perfect alignment of the foreground binary stars with the background star, which greatly magnified the light and allowed us to see the signal of the two stars." The ground-based observations suggested two possible scenarios for the three-body system: a Saturn mass planet orbiting a close binary star pair, or a Saturn mass and an Earth mass planet orbiting a single star. The model with two stars and one planet is the only one consistent with the Hubble data. It is far from being the first planet to be discovered that would be illuminated by the light of two stars. However, it does appear to be one of the more unusual systems. Often the planets closely orbit one star, which is itself orbiting another star. The desert planet of Tatooine in the Star Wars films is often used to illustrate what rocky planets in these systems might be like, with almost unrelenting sunlight. Astronomers have yet to unravel exactly what kind of planet is orbiting in the Hubble 2007b LG 349 system. It is around the same distance from its two stars as cluttered belt of asteroids that ring our own sun between Mars and Jupiter. Faced with the glare of two red dwarfs, it means the world could endure sweltering temperatures. Scientists are now hoping to use Hubble to examine other planets identified by the Kepler Space Telescope that appear to be orbiting type binary stars.